In this video, I am going to show you how to use your Visa gift card for purchases on TEMU. First up, grab your device and open the TEMU app. If you don't have it already, just download it from the App Store or Play Store. Once you do it and log into your account, browse through TEMU's vast selection of products and find something you'd like to purchase. Go ahead and add it to your cart by clicking on the item and selecting the Add to Cart option. It's time to head over to the checkout. Tap on the cart icon again and review your selected items. If everything looks good, click on the checkout button to move forward. At the checkout page, you'll need to provide your shipping address and any other necessary information. Make sure all details are accurate to ensure a smooth delivery process. Now we reached the payment. When you get the payment method section, click for the card option. This is where you'll use your Visa gift card. The card option typically covers various types of cards, including Visa, so you're in the right place. Select the card option. You'll be prompted to enter your card details. Carefully type in the Visa card numbers, expiration date, and CVV code. Double-check it and then click Save. With all the details in place, go ahead and hit Submit Order button to finalize your transaction. Your Visa gift card will be charged and you should soon receive confirmation of your order. And that's it. Guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this.